This will be a super quick video to show you how to make your links clickable in YouTube. So as you can see here, at the end of every one of my videos, I have something that says "Let's be besties," and then a link to different places where you can find me. All you really need to make your link clickable is the https:// before your website. You don't need the www. To make it work, all you need is the https://. I've seen so many people not put this in front of their links, and then you have to type in the link yourself, and nobody wants to do that on their mobile phone. Make it easy for your viewers. They can just click on that link and get taken to wherever you're taking them. Don't forget to see what all the fun is about by going to ladymora.com/biz, where you get the awesome training that teaches you all about creating a handmade product line for your business. So definitely check that out.